Alright, Toya, can you explain what you're trying to do?
Right now, I'm gonna set up some lights because they're LEDs. So at nighttime, we don't need to keep the lights on because these things burn a lot less electricity than a regular light bulb. Let's just say, Beatrice, can you hit the light for me? Can you hit that light for me? Regular light bulbs burn 7 to 8 times more than LEDs, and these things don't get hot. However, if you touch this after about 10 minutes of actual use, you will burn your hand. Unless you have just thick skin. But since I bought these LEDs a few years ago, I had big lots. I want to do it. Plus, it'll be pretty cool to walk through the hall at nighttime with LEDs just lighting your path. Plus, I like lights. That's a simple answer. I really do like lights. So I need to find out what I do with my push pins so I can make this happen.
Why is it so difficult to move this thing?
Alright, because you have to unlock this. Right? Push this, actually. Oh, I'm sorry. It's this. Turn this to the left.
Oh, okay.
Let's find some push pins.
Brad, can you show me?
Help me?
Okay, so today's project is to put those lights in the hallway of our new house.
All of the lights. The lights.
Alright, Beatrice, what are you gonna do?
Huh?
What are you gonna do?
I don't know how it is.
Show that to the camera. Hold on. Let me put it closer. Alright.
Can I get 4 of those, please?
4?
Yeah.
Alright, so basically what we're going to do, we're going to take these pins and we're going to put them in between each one of these little wires. That way we can stick them towards the ceiling and we're going to run the lights all the way around the hall. So that way we can save electricity. Plus it's pretty cool. I love LED lights. For that one reason. Now it'll take a little while to get your eyes to get used to it because it is LED and the human eye isn't exactly used to seeing it because it's not natural. Whoa, that could have been bad. But it is pretty cool to have LED lights in the house even though it's not a true string. Oh, that's what happened.
Be careful.
I hope these things stay.
Oops.
I don't think this chair is agreeing with me right now.
You need to change it.
Yeah.
Here, why don't you use the metal chair?
There's a metal one?
Yeah. It's over here.
Yeah, because this bad boy is crumbling under the pressure of my weight. Alright, I'm gonna need some more push pins, Miss Beatrice.
What?
Yes.
Just put it right there.
Insert sped up montage.
Alright.
We're gonna pause the video for a little bit because it's gonna take too long to do it.
Great. Speed it.
Okay, so
Oh, that's not an issue.
I'm pulling this and then he's gonna go like that all the way that way. He can't. So maybe he's just gonna fill it like about right there. And then when he can't go all the way, he's gonna do it and then he's gonna go all the way over here and then all the way over here.
Well, I have to find the third string
Right there.
in order to wrap it all the way around the living room. It's in the box somewhere. We'll find it though.
Is that a way just to stop it right there?
I don't want to stop it right here. No.
There's more lights right here.
Is there a way to stop it if you wanted to?
No.
Can you just cut it? You're just gonna cut it?
I'm not gonna cut it. What's wrong with you? Why would I do that?
Cut.
You're crazy. You don't have no choice but to feed your family. You are crazy. It's really warm right now.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I was wearing this today. It was freezer and I was wearing shorts on the morning. It was freezing cold.
Boy, don't step on there. Don't.
My grandma's gonna get mad. Okay, if you move that, like it's gonna go about like the end of this wall. It's gonna go like right there. Look, right there, and like a little bit forward, and yeah, we're almost there. See right there? Okay, so I'm about to take you like over there in a minute, cause I need my brother to help me, cause I don't really know how to do it. Okay, so here he comes, and I'm with you. He's gonna go like right there. It's gonna be so fun.
Alright, can you grab me the other couple of pins, please?
I'm grabbing the other couple of pins. And I'm taking it to her. You want 4, right?
The whole thing.
So it might go like a little right there, cause there's a knot on one of the sides of them. So we're doing this so we don't have to turn the lights all day long, even at night if you want to get a water or a snack. It's almost done. Okay, so he's almost done. Brother, can you comment down below? Like, comment down below if you like the guy. They're cute, right?
Mm-hmm.
Comment down below. They're cute, and if you like them, just comment down below. I'll look at your comments.
You gotta autofocus, so you gotta move the lens.
He's right there. If you see that, that's clothes that he's selling. That guy's selling clothes. You can see him. He's selling clothes. There is my brother. Say hi. He doesn't really talk. Well, he talks sometimes. Hey, give me some cupcake. He's eating a cupcake. Valentine's Day. That's vanilla. Like he's gonna give me some. Give me some. Good. That's good and yummy. The camera just fell down. Comment down below if you like cupcakes. I love cupcakes. Who doesn't love cupcakes? Comment down below. Just fruit. And that's my diary.
¿No venta aire el frío?
So yeah. Okay, so yeah, he's done. Okay, you can see it like.
El aire que está.
Excuse me, brother. Okay, you can see white down.
¿Que no prendió?
No.
You can see like little lights hanging like white there. Okay, come on, let's go here the light.
Yeah, now let's make your video, Beatriz. Let's go make your video.
And then we put that video to charge, and then that camera to charge, and then we're gonna go check, and then we're gonna do another video with my brother.
Okay.
This time it's gonna be with my brother, not with you.
Okay. Cause you suck.
Oh,
Cause you suck.
Oh, yeah.
let's do a Pokemon video.
You remember my camera back?
Here, you know what? Why do you want me to? Do you want me to be famous?
Mm-hmm. You wanna be famous?
Yeah. So we can get a lot of money, you know that? If you be famous, you get a lot of money. Brother, I saw like this TikTok. It says, do you have a like a towel?
Pero este abanico no venta nada de frío, necesitas pagarlo.
Deja ver, lo acabo de prender.
Pero ya lo hubiera aventado.
Espérate tantito.
Mano, vi este TikTok que una mamá de 2 hermanos, no sé cuántos años tiene, tan grandes, y la mamá les preguntó,